Winter begins is the 19th solar term in a year and the first solar term in winter. However, winter begins does not necessarily mean the arrival of winter. Meteorologically, the average daily temperature for 5 consecutive days is below 10 degrees as the standard for the arrival of winter. According to this standard, most parts of northern China had already entered winter before winter begins, while many parts of southern China were still in autumn. The real winter would come after about 20 days. After the winter begins, cold air activity gradually increased, and the trend of temperature decline accelerated. Every cold air visit will bring obvious cooling, strong wind, and even rain and snow. The first snow often falls in some parts of North China at this time. When the strong cold air comes, it even snows in the south of the Yangtze River. In the southern part of China, from winter begins to light snow, there are sometimes stable sunny days for several days. The wind and sunshine, warm and comfortable weather are like March in spring. Some fruit trees even blossom twice. People call this phenomenon Xiao Yang Chun. Winter is coming, farming is busy. At this time, the land in northeast China is frozen, and the crops of agriculture and forestry are entering overwintering stage. In North China and Huanghai area, farmers are seizing the opportunity to irrigate wheat, vegetables, and fruit trees and supplement soil moisture. In South China, the precipitation decreases and the weather is clear, which is good time for autumn harvest and winter planting. In ancient times, winter begins is also an important festival. On this day, the emperor will lead ministers to the outskirts to hold winter ceremonies and pay tribute and pensions to the soldiers and their families who have died for their country. In the folk, there is a proverb, eat delicious food at the beginning of winter to make up for empty stomach. Winter begins is a good time to give you a jolt of energy. People who have been busy for a year will have a good rest, make a good meal, and reward the family's hard work.